how to use Aviator game trick, and how to get Aviator hack and Aviator signal for free. Watch this video carefully and completely, and you will know how to use Aviator hack and new working trick properly with AviatorGPT AI.
In 1 week, I closed a bank loan. AviatorGPT signals are the best way to beat an aviator. Thank you.
I was able to pay for 2 whole years of education at a good university for my daughter after playing with AviatorGPT.
I started playing Aviator with AviatorGPT in APK. And after 3 weeks, I bought a new smartphone for my girlfriend. I'm so happy. It's the best Aviator game hack ever, guys.
Millions of people know what an Aviator cash game is, but only hundreds of thousands of them can earn, and fewer still actually make a really big cash outs. Why? Because only a few use the right Aviator hacks, tricks, and strategies for this. Today, I will show you how to play with AviatorGPT AI. AviatorGPT is the best bot for receiving predict Aviator game signal. AviatorGPT is available in 2 variations, in the official Telegram bot and in the Android application. Shall we play? Let's go. Let's start with APK. For better quality synchronization, AviatorGPT checks the latest coefficient in the game. After confirmation, the signals begin. Be ready for the first signal. Bet now. Cash out at 1.57. Moving perfectly. Bet now. Cash out at 1.64. Good. Smart AI strategy work. Bet now. The advantage of the application is that all actions take place on one screen, from logging into the platform to synchronizing with your account and receiving predictive accurate signals. Lost signal. That's okay. A small minus is always reflected several times in other bets. Just stay calm and keep playing. Bet now. And cash out at 1.22. This is how we hack the Aviator cash game. AviatorGPT is synchronized with your account on the gaming platform, and it is thanks to this that it produces the most accurate signals on the entire internet. That's how, in a short game, we exaggerated our initial balance by almost 5 times. This is how our users reach a new level of life. Now let's do the same in the Telegram bot. Bet now. Cash out at 1.33. It's better to top up your balance by about 3,000 rupees for the first time, and use small bets and odds to gradually and carefully increase your balance. Bet now. Lost signal. That's okay. A small minus is always reflected several times in other bets. Just stay calm and keep playing. Bet now. Cash out at 1.33. Good. Keep playing. Next, I predict that there will definitely be 2 positive bets, so we can safely bet. This is a positive line. Bet now. Cash out at 1.53. Another positive bet. Not surprising. Bet now. Cash out at 161. And another one. Congratulations. Bet now. Lost signal. That's okay. We've already won enough to allow this to happen. Signal accuracy reaches 89%. To win and earn money, follow only the bot's signals and avoid overly emotional games. Leave your crazy emotions for the moment when you next see the green window with your winnings again and again. This is why AviatorGPT exists.